Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you about this very short dua you can read in order to achieve the impossible. This dua will allow you to make the impossible become possible. With this dua you will be able to achieve anything you can at all. This dua can make miracles happen. What you thought was impossible is not impossible. If you do as I tell you to and read what I say to, you can grant these benefits yourself. This could be that you wanted to get a job that you thought that you would never get, or if you're ever struggling to have a child, you can be blessed with one. It could be anything that you think is too difficult, or anything that you think is out of reach. Do as I instruct you to, and inshallah you will achieve that. Because nothing is impossible for Allah Azza wa Jal. In fact, one of the names of Allah Azza wa Jal is Al-Khaliq. Al-Khaliq means the creator. It means the one who brings things from non-existence into existence. Allah Azza wa Jal is the one who creates anything and everything. Allah Azza wa Jal is the one who makes everything happen. So why would He not be able to do the same for you? So if you follow my instructions and recite the dua I tell you to, how I tell you to, and then ask Allah Azza wa Jal for anything at all in your dua, inshallah Allah Azza wa Jal will make that happen if He wills it. It does not matter how difficult or far-fetched your dua may seem, nothing is impossible for Allah Azza wa Jal. So if you recite this dua with belief and ask Allah Azza wa Jal for whatever it may be, it will happen if Allah Azza wa Jal allows it to. Everyone has desires that may seem impossible to achieve. Like you could be in poverty or not have lots of money and want to be rich and wealthy. You may think that it could never happen or that it is impossible, but it is definitely possible, especially with this wazifa. Now I will tell you what you need to read and do in order to make miracles happen for you, and I will also read the dua that you are supposed to read for this wazifa. It is recommended to have wuzu, but it is not mandatory to have it. And before you begin the recitation of the dua, what you must do is first recite daroodsharif. You must always recite daroodsharif before and after doing a wazifa. For this, you may recite daroodsharif either 1, 3, or 7 times. Reciting daroodsharif will make your duas and desires more important to Allah Azza wa Jal. It will help grant your duas better and more quickly. So after you recite your daroodsharif, either 1, 3, or 7 times, you will recite this dua, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Allahu Rabbi la sharika lahu. The translation of this dua is, Allah Azza wa Jal is my Lord, without any partners. For the number of times you must recite this, you should try to aim to recite this 874 times, which may seem like a lot, but the dua is very short. Even reciting this a few hundred times will still bring you great benefits, but you should try to do the full 874 times for this wazifa. You can recite this dua throughout the day, whenever you like, while you are walking or whatever. This dua is easy to memorize because it is short, so you can always read it on the go. Then, afterwards, you must once again recite the daroodsharif 1, 3, or 7 times. Now, all that is left is to ask for dua from Allah Azza wa Jal. This is where you ask for dua for your impossible task or wish. You can ask for whatever miracle you would like to happen, and inshallah your wish will be granted and you will achieve the impossible. Try to do this for a few days, or do it as long as until your dua is accepted and your wish is granted. So if you have any sort of difficult task or desire that may seem too hard to achieve or too far-fetched, do as I said, and inshallah Allah Azza wa Jal will make it happen if He wills it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and take a look at my other videos.